All right, just actually another little thought we had in regards to the upper part of the neck and this forward head posture that we see. A common problem, because we're always sitting at the desk and we've been doing this for many, many years. I mean, you think about going back to grade school, we've been sitting at a desk since then with gravity and our head down. It's just gotten worse with the computers and everything else. So not only do we see that upper neck tension, which we just showed you in the last video in regards to the release of the occipital, but we also want to start to address that mid-back. Because what we can see is that even if we do elongate and release some of these muscles up here, we're still going to have a lot of pressure into this mid-back area. So we're going to show you something very simple to use a foam roller, also use a lacrosse ball to help kind of get some extra release into that area. So perfect thing for you to do at home. Everyone that I know, all the patients that have come in here, you probably already heard us talking about it, is getting that foam roller and improving that mobility or motion into the mid-back. When that happens, it's going to let you come back up. It's going to also allow for more oxygenation and allow you to have more energy, which I think some of us are looking for that. So actually, let's go ahead and have you jump on the floor, and we'll show you what we're doing here. So she's going to grab the foam roller first. Very simple. We're going to start at the bottom. She'll start in the mid-back first. That's fine. Right below the scapula. She's going to go ahead and bring her pelvis up. Okay, and you can see how she's actually supporting her head. And all she's doing is nice and easy, inch by inch. It's a cinch, right, Ash? Inch by inch, she's just kind of just going up and down that mid-back. Now, it could be very discomforting at first. That's normal because these things have not been moving, or the bones have not been moving very well. But when Ashley wants to make it a little bit more intense, and after she's gotten used to it after a week or so, she can actually start to extend back, either by bringing her bottom right down there, okay, or tush. She can go down and hit the floor, and then she can also come back and reach and touch the floor. So she can see how you're arching that back, which is going to really instill a lot more of that motion in there. So that's something perfect to do, whether you want to do that every hour at work. I mean, you might have an issue with the boss, but it'd be very helpful for your spine to do that. And then she can actually just come back up. So if she wants to, I mean, she can pump that in that area as she wants to help kind of pump that motion into the mid-back. But at the end of the day, we just want to help restore that mid-back motion, just so that she can help get that head back and help relieve the stress on the nervous system. So again, this is something simple. We'll show you the lacrosse ball video here in just a second.